welcome back hopefully to the Peter H channel, or welcome to the Peter H channel if this is your first time. It's the repair on the side cover 2, or cover side 2, the 3BN cover side 2. The little plastic plug protuberance is supposed to stick out there. And it goes in here, in this grommet. So if I take this screw with a dome head, that pushes in there. It's quite a comfortable fit. Now I'm going to use a drill to drill a little hole in there so that I can screw this in there. So the screw is screwed in there. Now I'm going to use some J B Weld to make this a bit bigger and more plasticky looking, so that it should fit in that grommet with a snug fit. I'm going to use a degreasant though first. Just want to degrease it so the J B Weld will stick there. So I've just put some weld over that. I can sand it down later. Just mix some up with a razor blade. I'll sand and smooth that later, maybe even paint it blue. So I've surrounded the screw with the J B Weld epoxy, and when that's set I'll be able to smooth that off and it will look more like a piece of plastic. And I know it's roughly the right size to fit in the grommet. I've made it a little bit big so it will fit snugly when I sand it down. So this is cover side 1, and it had a similar repair requirement to cover side 2. I've put a screw in. This one already had a hole, so I've had to patch the hole. I can rub that down, maybe paint it blue or put a sticker over it when it is hardened off. So I'm getting ready to think about what to do with that. So this is now got its little grommet shaped thing. That's a screw covered in epoxy. Rub that down, see if it fits. I'm about to go and see if it fits. So that's in there quite well actually, screwed in, and it goes in the grommet up here. I'm happy with that. Well, thanks for watching that, and thanks for watching all the other videos and things about this rusty old DTR.